You don't have to be a philosopher, you just have to want to know who you are. You may have the bravery of a strong fighter, but unless you possess the intelligent strength of discriminating knowledge, you will not turn the tide in the battle with samsara. So possess the intelligent strength of discriminating knowledge. When you keep company with an eminent master, his qualities will automatically influence you. You may possess the power and might of a world ruler, but unless you gain mastery over your own mind, when the time of death arrives you still haven't attained the power of freedom. So gain mastery over your mind. When your appearance conforms with worldly conventions, you will encounter less criticism. You may try to support your family and friends, but at the time of death all other actions besides the virtuous practices of Dharma activities will have been pointless. So constantly apply yourself to spiritual practices in thought, word, and deed. When you recognize the nature of mind, fabrication and effort are naturally freed. You may consume all kinds of delicious food, but unless you adhere to the nectar of the innate nature, it all turns into a heap of filth. So drink the nectar of the profound instructions. You may gather wealth and possessions, but only the two accumulations can be enjoyed after death. So gather the two accumulations as much as you can. When you realize that samsara and nirvana are dharmakaya, you need not put effort into meditation practice. Your castle of earth and stone may be beautiful, but unless you dwell in the fortress of the unchanging, you must depart and leave it behind. So keep to the fortress of the unchanging. Fortunate ones, mingle your mind with the Dharma, and the happiness of Buddhahood will manifest within you. You may pursue worldly fame and gain, but unless you follow the teachings of the Buddha, such activity will only be the cause for throwing you back into further samsara. So adhere to the teachings of the Buddha. I am present in front of anyone who has faith in me, just as the moon casts its reflection, effortlessly, in any vessel filled with water. Yes, Sogyal was a woman. There may be some people who believe that only men can attain enlightenment, but her life is proof of the opposite. In actual fact, the awakened state of mind is neither male nor female. The great perfection I learned from my naturally aware mind. I have realized that all phenomena are like dreams, like magic. Day and night, look into your mind. If your stream of mind contains any non-virtue, renounce it from the core of your heart and pursue virtue. To be a meditator doesn't simply mean to live in a cave, it means to train oneself in the true meaning of the natural state. What is the difference between Buddhas and sentient beings? It is nothing other than realizing or not realizing mind. The substance of the awakened state, of Buddha, is present within you, but you don't recognize it. All phenomena of samsara and nirvana are your own mind. Within the sky like empty mind, habitual tendencies and disturbing emotions are just like clouds and mist. When they appear within the expanse of empty mind. When they remain within the expanse of empty mind. And when they dissolve in that same expanse of empty mind. The awakened state of mind is neither male nor female. The Buddha said that when we dedicate merit, it is like adding a drop of water to the ocean. Just as a drop of water added to the ocean will not dry up, but will exist as long as the ocean itself exists. So, too, if we dedicate the merit of any virtuous deed, it merges with the vast ocean of merit that endures until enlightenment. If you want to know your past life, look into your present condition. If you want to know your future life, look at your present actions.